first time you're gonna see my house, please be respectful. Okay? Hi, I'm Korra Obidi, the singing dancing princess all the way from the motherland, and what? This is my new home. Mommy, why you hiding?
Korra don't show us a 4-bedroom mansion for LACT. Man, I no go lie, the house fine, no be small. The house looks so beautiful. Now for her to come furnish am now. I say furnish am. Funny. What how they talk this kind of thing? Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and the greeting according to where on a day for the world, my correct for how on a day. This is not just a CB update channel, and as you know the drill to all our returning subscribers, we say thank you for always coming back to watch our video. And for you, we just stop by the city channel or you see this video, like make it take your time, make you watch this one. As I said, this now very sweet news, way sweet me where the haters them day make una rush out, come see waiting God do for Korra. All una hate comment, una negativity now stop waiting God won't do for her life. And now she don't come show us the house, how we they see the beautiful serene where this house day, as she take us round the rooms. She take us go a bedroom. My God, see Korra bedroom. Hey, Korra is not on their level. Oh, see the bedroom, very spacious. He get shower, he get bathtub. Not be only that one. No, we also see say Korra get walk-in closet. Man, the view and something to really die for. Man, that view no be small thing. No, see how the view dey. Very beautiful plantation. She even say she go plant her avocado. You know. Say, you know, she'd always talk about planting avocado tree, and now she says she go plant them for the house because she see tall trees for them. She come carry us go her children room, now so the room themselves fine. But the place where really they attract me now this kitchen where we say, oh, this kitchen fine no be small. And I know say Korra like to do Korra kitchen. Aye, Korra kitchen. Was. Now she go do the was where space plenty. The fridge, oh my God, now that double fridge where they open for by the two doors go open. Wow, hey, now so much storage. Oh, she even get where she they do her laundry and everything. I see the gas stove, man, God, this gas stove he enter my eye. Oh, very fine and neat. Everything just they new. You don't be like say the house now brown new house where they just built and I Korra buy them so. Congratulations to you again, Korra, for this one. No be small something. People they pray to get waiting no even reach this one, but God just do it for you, dash you. According to her, blessed say the house now $1.6 million. No be small money. Oh, I did very happy. Say she at the end of the day she get this one to show. Say now waiting her hard work bring her today, and the girls will really be happy. Congratulations to you, Korra. We did very happy for you, our African sister. My people, when I don't see the house now, yeah, I'll go draw the curtain for this one until I see you for the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love una. Bye. Level up. Oh, the girls are so yummy. Ooh. I know your mom's is yummy.
at this. This is for grilling, like top grilling. Yummy on your tummy. Ooh. Ooh. Now let's go to my bedroom. There are 2 levels, okay? Period. Sonya Shikada. Sonya Shikada. So forget them with your Sonya. Thank you. Appreciate you. Now this is the highlights. This is my bedroom. It's the view for me. Look at this